Times I've welded something in a 3G position on the bridge. Yeah, never. What I do is I'm welding by my feet all day. It's production welding. You gotta be fast as fuck with it, boy, you know? Like, you just go, but it's in the same position and it's flat all day. That's what I do. Most of the welding on bridges, even the other stuff I've done with a different company on bridges, is all flat. I'd be under the girders where they make contact with columns. I'd be welding metal on the metal, but it'd be in a flat position. So on bridges, you're not doing some crazy stuff where you're welding overhead and then you're welding something over here. There's a lot of fancy trusses and all that, but that's not, as a welder, you're not touching all that, you know? They have bolts for all that stuff.
So just so y'all will know that when y'all taking these tests, when I was telling you, when you take the test, because you're going to have to do them all the time, I was like, but 9 times out of 10, that test is going to be way more complicated than what you actually be doing when you get the job. You be like, man, they had me test for this. I ain't did nothing no close to this. But that's how they get their money, though. So they can be able to say, we got 10 certified welders, and so they can charge the companies X amount of dollars. All of y'all doing is flat, easy welds, because they're gonna have to do all the most of the complicated stuff gonna be done before it gets out there. That's how they do it now. They do it in the shop and ship the beams out there, ship the, you know what I'm saying, they ship all the metal and it's already pretty much done, and all you gotta do is the basic stuff in the field. So they trying to keep it simple, but they still gonna test you, you know what I mean, like you gonna be doing the hard stuff, and you ain't even gonna be doing nothing hard. Right. Now every now and then you might have something. Every blue moon, you know, you might see a blue moon, but that's about it. That's about it. You gonna personally do simple stuff, but they gonna over test you. But you get the money though. So what you start off like normally construction, they'll start people out at about doing what he's doing on regular construction, probably $18. 19, maybe 20 on regular construction, but by him doing bridge construction, he started out making what did you start out with?
28.
Through the door. Fresh out of school.
Right.
Took the test, 28. So it ain't like it can't be done now. You know, so I want you to know that it ain't like it can't be done. So you don't have to go, you know, thinking you got to go through this long procedure to get this money. It's all about the skill set. You know, I'll tell y'all all the time, don't worry about that paper. Get the skills. Get it down. Let me show you how to do it, because that's what's going to change the game. Being able to do it.
Have any of you guys worked in construction? So you guys know that. And that's one of the biggest things, dude, because you go out there's a lot of kids that say, oh man, well I learned this in school and I'm the welder, you know. Construction man don't want to hear that, you know. Construction man's been out there for 20 years welding a certain way. As long as you guys know that you have to